We have a 2-bedroom right here on the ground level. Straight shot from the door to the sand. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's check it out. So much expansive space, the beautiful walls, and the Florida sunshine. Expansive ensuite, beautiful wall feature, and plenty of space to look at the Gulf. A fresh coastal feel in this beautiful bathroom. Such a large second room, multiple beds, a Murphy bed here, whatever you can think of. So for more information on this beautiful property, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. But wait, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on anything beautiful about this Gulf.